not really sure what I'm gonna be doing yet. This is an 8-inch cradled wood board, by the way. So what am I doing? Why don't we start with a custom piggy I made. I mixed, I know the lighting's horrible, by the way, I apologize. This is the new color TLP Maraschino, which is a super bright red. And I mixed it with TLP Sapphire, a dark blue, and a little bit of Velvet, which is the blue interference. So I really enjoy making my own colors, because it's kind of fun. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep it small so I have some blue in the back still, but you know how that goes. Now, problem number 2, you might ask, what is that? Well, I have no heat currently, so I'm freezing, and my paints are freezing and super thick. So for me, oh, I hope you can see. For me, this is quite thick. So I am gonna thin it out with a bit of Josania, but you really have to watch that, because if your paints are not all a really good consistency, by the way, this is golden phthalo turquoise, then you might blow through your pillow, like lots of disasters might happen. Okay, so next, what are we gonna do? Why don't we do the new TLP Athena, which they made for me because I like rose gold. Sorry for the singing, trying to keep warm. And on top of that, I'm gonna put TLP Pinot Gris, which is a green interference. It's gonna be super sparkly. Okay, now what are we doing? Why don't I do, I should have, yeah. This is called Shadow Green by Whole Bean. Oh my God, we are like full Canadians right now. Let me just show you what's happening. So outside on the lake, my husband, oh you can't see, and they're just running away, and Mo, first of all, we have an ice fishing tent all the way in the middle of the lake. I hope you guys can see. And there you see, they're making an igloo out of frozen ice that they made with water. We are full Canadian, like people, with no heat. It's just pretty funny. Okay, so that was Shadow Green. I'm gonna top it off with my fave Golden Peach, and hopefully this will blow out nicely, and hopefully my paints aren't too cold. Oops. So I'm going to, my final, because I'm using white Shelly Art Cell Activator, my final color is going to be Golden Phthalo Turquoise. I use the Shelly Art Cell Activator, which is also, oh, everyone's back home, which is Australian Floetrol. And paint, I don't measure, I do about 3 to 1. Okay, here I go. Hi Mo, I love you. Hold on.
We're gonna go fishing.
You're going fishing?
Yeah.
Can you put on a hat, please? All right, we'll see. Did my colors come up? I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we spin it out. So, I'm gonna take my little skewer and do my schmoozies. Let's see. Schmoozy, schmoozy. We love to do the schmoozies. I know you guys love my singing. I might be slowly going insane from the cold, but you guys will let me know, right? All right. And like that. Okay. And like this, right? Are we good? Like, all right. I don't want that last little bit there. Okay. Let's just spin her out and like see where she wants to go. She wants to go that way. Okie doke. So my spinner is also not level. So I'm just gonna move her this way. We don't have much blue, but I did better than I thought. Cells and sparkle are on point. Should I just do that from now on? And just see everything I say? I would totally lose a lot of followers. Okay. You know, she's kind of cool. All right. I think I like her. I mean, the cells are cool. Sparkle's cool. You guys, of course, will let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Please pray that we have heat soon, or else I might start like eating my paints or something, going crazy. Okay, bye.